welcome back to my channel. As you could probably hear, I'm still a bit snuffed up. That's why there's no videos been out for a little while, or lives. So I'm getting there. I think I can come back in here today. It is a bit chilly, but we'll see how it goes. So this video, it's more of an upcycling kind of video. Every now and again I like to do this sort of thing. So my brother gave me a empty bottle of Jack Daniels, and he said I can make a cup or something out of it, but it's just too nice to make a cup. So I've decided to make a lamp, and there's the bottle. It's square, it's got Jack Daniels signature embossed. I like the way it goes around the corner as well. So I'm going to pick up that little feature of that going around the corner up the top here. The cork itself it's a cork, but it's got a wooden rim around it and a little brass look-alike Jack Daniels coin. Obviously I'm not going to need this because the lamp's going to go there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to follow on that theme of going round the corner, and I'm going to pop this right into the corner there so you can still see it. I think that would be nice. So I went to first of all I went to B&Q and I was looking for an antique style bayonet socket. You know what they're called. I couldn't find one. I could find brand new, really nice, highly polished. I didn't want to go down the process of making it antiqued. Plus I would need to buy a switch as well for the cable, and I'd need to buy cable to kind of match this. So I went to a charity shop and I found this lamp. It's a floor standing lamp. I don't think it's really that old, but the thing I like about it is it's got this old-fashioned gold cable and this bayonet top. I keep calling it that. I'm not sure what it's called. It's already kind of antique-y look. I'm not going to polish it. I want it to stay exactly how it is. So that I'm going to use all of this. I might try and bend this so it goes into the top of the bottle and comes out at that angle. I'm not sure how that's going to work, if it works, but I'll try. So I wanted something as far as a bulb, something a little bit different, a little bit special. I mean, your average type of bayonet bulb, there's nothing special about that, it's just boring. So I went to this place called In Excess, just by me, and they're doing these bulbs at like £2.50 up to like £5 or something like that, so really cheap. Nostalgia Lights, that's who makes them, and this is called the Squirrel Cage. It's a little bit sticky. This is the last one of these particular ones they had in at the time, so I've had to have the display one, but it still works fine. So Squirrel Cage, you can't see it on camera, but I can just about see it. It's got the filaments in long lines. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's nine lines there that light up. So I think this is going to be nice. I don't want a lamp shade on this. So I want it to be able to see the bulb. I want it to be able to see the glass and all that. So first of all, I'm going to get to taking this apart and let's see what we can do with it. So sometimes things don't turn out as you envisioned them in your head. This particular build, it was okay when I finished it, but it sat on my table in the living room for about 4 days. At the end of those 4 days, I really didn't like it, so I made a few changes to make it less ugly. Anyway, so I've kept the old style bulb, and I'll use that on another project in the future. Replace that with an LED because it was a lot better light, if that makes sense, for this particular, what do you call it, shade. And obviously I changed the shade. Now I quite like it. But each to their own taste, really. I mean, maybe some of you would have liked it without this shade, some with the shade. Anyway, I enjoyed the video, making the video itself. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching the video. Share it out and all that sort of stuff. Help me get to 2,000 subscribers by Maker Central, which is in May, hopefully. And I'll see you next time.